Hello, magandang araw, magandang gabi. Nandito muli sila kay Music Lovers upang maghatid ng mainit na pagbati sa ating birthday celebrant, no other than baby girl Sophie, the loving daughter of our First Lady in YT, the Romangcos channel. So, baby girl Sophie, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you always and your loving family. And I believe you grow better woman someday. Just because of your loving mother is very responsible mother. And I do believe, of course, she is also a responsible wife of your loving father. You know, baby, I saw you have, I don't think so, but for me, you have a good future someday. Because your mother, as I've said, she is a responsible mother. And I saw your father during the live stream of your mother in the backyard. He playing you, and Lucas while he's working in the garden. So I saw he is also a responsible father. So you are very lucky with your brother Lucas, just because you have a parents who are responsible to you. Again and again, happy birthday, baby girl. Magpakabait. You always follow your mother and your father. And at the same time, of course, your mother is God a believer. Always pray for your family. And I believe, again and again, you grow a better woman someday. Again, happy birthday, baby girl Sophie. More birthdays to come. And God bless you always and your loving family. Bye-bye. Lakay Music Lovers, we love you all.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Hello, Sophia. Sophia, I hope today is your birthday. I hope this is the day to happy, to enjoy the day. Ayan, happy Sophia, happy birthday. Sana nandiyan ka sa maayos na kalagayan at mabuting pangatawan. Ayan, kasama ng iyong pamilya, ng iyong mama at daddy at ng iyong kapatid. Ayan, Sophia, ingat palagi at sana dumating ang punto na ikaw ay lumaki at masunurin sa magulang. Ayan, pasensya ka na kasi si tito mo Kabutoy hindi masyadong mag-English kasi alam naman na ano yung dila ko na twist yung my tongue is twisting if you speak the English version. Ayan, Sophia, enjoy the day and ingat palagi sa pag-aaral. Yan lang po. Ayan, maraming salamat at sana nandyan din kayong lahat sa maayos, sa lahat na nandyan sa comment section. Sana nandyan din kayo sa maayos na kalagayan. Ingat palagi. Ayan, Kabutoy Oreg, sana huwag kalimutan, suportahan para marami pa tayong matulungan ng mga kaibigan kagaya ng natulungan nyo. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat. Ingat palagi sa inyong lahat. Love you all. Bye-bye, Sophia. Happy birthday. Enjoy!
Hi guys! This is Ilenia's channel and babatiin ko lang si Ate Sofia ng The Romangcos ng happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Sophie! And sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Ayan, alagaan mo si Lucas and always na maging masunurin kay Mami Agnes and sa Daddy Lubos mo. And sana mag-enjoy ka in your childhood together with your family and may God bless you more and sana kung ano man yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay maabot mo and hindi malayo mangyari yon kasi your mom is a very supportive mom and I know na lalaki kang may magandang direksyon and a very God-fearing person. So yun lang, baby Sophie, and enjoy your childhood. Yun lang masasabi ko. And continue vlogging with the Romangcos with your family. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you so much.
Hello, mega love shout out sa lahat ng viewers and supporters the Romancos. Ayan, no? First of all, happy birthday to you, Princess Sophia. May your beautiful eyes, gorgeous smile, and loving heart bless you with a happy life. Happy 4th birthday to the little lady who brings so much love and joy into our lives. You make us proud every day with your beautiful personality, big heart, and sweet smile. We hope this day is as special as you are. Once again, happy birthday to you, Sophia. Stay happy, stay beautiful, and bye-bye.
Hello everyone! Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat na nanood nitong premiere sa ating kaibigan na si Ganda Agnes de Romancos. And hello Sophia! Very cute girl! Happy birthday to you! And ito lang ang i-advise ko sa iyo na sa paglaki mo, sana mabait ka at very respectful sa mga mommy at daddy mo, kasi love na love ka sa mommy at daddy mo, and masunurin ka na bata. So, happy birthday to you, Sophia, and good luck sa paglaki mo, and lampasan mo yung ganda sa mommy mo. Ayan. So, that's all, and happy birthday to you, and enjoy your day, Sophia. Bye-bye, everyone.
Ayan, magandang araw po sa lahat. I'm here, Biswar Siblings po, na magbibigay po ako ng mensahe sa anak ni Ma'am Romancos, sa daughter ni Ma'am Romancos, kay Sophie. Ayan, Sophie, happy 4th birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day, Sophie. Ayan, and thank you kay Ma'am Romancos kasi binigyan niya po ako ng panahon para makagawa ako ng short greetings. Short na nga lang, na late pa ako guys. Sorry po Ma'am Romancos. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa laging pagsuporta sa aming family. Sa Blawan family, sa aking channel, Biswar Siblings, sa aking mother, CB Sablawan Family Vlog, and sa aking father, CBS Mix Vlog. At ayan, lahat ng nasa baba, maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta sa premiere ni Ma'am Romancos. Maraming salamat guys sa mga support. Sa lahat po, ayan, thank you so much. Uulitin ko kay ate siya ni Baby Lucas. Ayan. Ate ni Lucas, Sophie, ayan, happy 4th birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. Always pray to God. Have fear to God. Always listen to your mom and dad. Study well sa school. Galingan mo pa. Ayan. Thank you ulit Ma'am Romancos sa paghintay ng aking greetings. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Biswar Siblings, again, thank you so much. Ayan, God bless us all. Take care always. Maraming salamat po.
Yan, Ma'am Agnes de Romancos, yan, mapagpalang araw po sa inyo lahat. So, gusto ko lang pong batiin ang birthday ni Sophia ngayon, yan, anak ni Ma'am Agnes, yan, napaka-adorable na bata yan. So, Sophia, yan, happy birthday. So, wish ko sana pagbutihan ng iyong pag-aaral and palaging makinig sa iyong mga magulang, and huwag kakalimutan magdasal palagi, yan, yan. So, alam ko napakabuti mong bata. So, paglaki, yan, matulad ka sa iyong mabait at mabuting kalooban ng iyong mama and yung papa mo, yan. So, happy birthday ulit, Sophia. God bless. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow.
So, hello guys! Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, especially sa ating mga ka-team, Team BFF Paangat, Team Butterfly Squad, and of course, Team Lomots Reborn. So, magandang araw po sa ating lahat at mag-iingat tayo. Ingatan natin ang ating kalusugan. So, ayan guys, gigreet lang natin si Bibi Sophia ng happy 4th birthday, Sophie. Wish ko lang sa'yo na lumaki kang may gabay at takot sa Diyos. Lumaki kang maging mabait na bata, may respeto sa iyong magulang, and of course, mas nakakatanda sa'yo. alam ko naman na magiging mabuti kang bata dahil andyan naman si Mami Agnes para i-guide ka, no, sa tama. At wish ko lang marating mo ang iyong pangarap sa buhay, makapagtapos ka sa pag-aaral. So, always healthy, take care and God bless. Bibi Sofia, Tito Oliver, and Tita Apples, love you. Always kang ingat sa pag-aaral mo, lalo sa araw-araw pagbibiyahe mo para pumasok sa pag-aaral. So, ayun lang guys. Happy birthday once again, Bibi Sofia. God bless everyone.
Hello everyone! Mega love shout out! Ayan, sa lahat po na manonood ng video na ito. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Ayan, and shout out po sa inyong lahat. At andito tayo ngayon sa inyong harapan upang magbibigay ng kunting greetings, pagbati kay Baby Sofia. Ayan. Hi Baby Sofia! Sorry late si Tita magbate pero okay lang yan. Nahabol si Tita para sa'yo. O diba? Pasensya na kasi laging may bagyo dito sa amin kaya hindi makakahirit. Maingay. Ayan. Salamat pala kay mami mo sa pag-imbita sa akin upang magbigay ng mensahe or greeting sa'yo. Ayan. Baby Sofia, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday ng ating Panginoon. Sana marami pang years ang paghahandaan ninyo, ayan, ng family mo, ayan. Stay mabait, ayan, magalang. Alam kong mabait ka na, dagdagan mo lang lalo baby para gagayahin ka ni Baby Lucas, ayan. At lalong matutuwa si mami at saka si daddy, ayan. Mag-aral ng mabuti, at lumaki kang ay takot sa Diyos, ayan. Thank you so much, Bibi. Alam ko nga napakabait mong bata. Natutuwa ako sa tuwing nakikita kita sa mga live or video ninyo ni mami mo. Ayan. Kaya, gandang-ganda pati ako sa'yo. Ayan. Ang cute-cute mo kasi. Ayan. I love you, baby. Sa ulit, happy birthday. And mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Romancos! I just wanted to greet a happy birthday sa princess ng the Romancos, si Sofia. Happy 4th birthday, Sofia! May you have many more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. And I wish you all the best. And yeah, enjoy being a kid and stay sweet, pretty like mommy, and loving, of course. Especially to your brother Lucas, and yeah, enjoy being a kid. And by the way, this is Yet Life in Canada. Please also support my channel, guys. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa aking channel, thank you so much. And I would like to take an opportunity to say thank you so much, Terumacos, for always supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone. Enjoy your day, have fun.